Hello, everyone. I want to show you today how to do the actual artwork. Once you have your nice grid set up, you want to start coloring in the blocks to be whatever color and pattern that you have chosen. You simply highlight the blocks and color them in. You can hold the control key and select more than one block that is not necessarily in a row, and then color those in a particular color. Um, this is, of course, if you're going to make your own pattern. If you're thinking, I don't know how to make any artwork, I really want to follow someone else's pattern. Well, there's some pretty awesome websites you can check out for that. I recommend brick.co, which is a Lego website, and it has lots of great, very simple patterns. You could also do a Google search for perler bead patterns. Those are the fusible beads. There's some great ideas there, and Pinterest has a ton of things if you just Google pixel art. Okay, I have one that I have started where I have a pattern here, this little monkey, and I want to um, finish coloring him in here. I've actually used some custom colors on him. This light brown color was not one that was offered up here, so I created a custom color, which you can do by clicking on your fill, clicking on this plus sign, and then you can choose a color from anywhere here. Once you have the right view, move this around, showing you what your color is up here. Okay, so lots of different things you can choose to make custom colors. All right, and this one, I'm going to follow along the pattern. I've done this much of his ear. So now I want to do the next 4 blocks here in the nice light brown. We have to go around him with the dark brown. Okay. It takes some time, and you do get faster at it the more you do. And obviously, more complex with more colors is going to take you more time. All right. You're basically doing like counted cross stitch. Like, for example, here, this is the top, or this is the bottom of the ear, and I want to put the eye right in line with that, and I want to skip 3 spaces. Look here, 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'll choose this one. Make a block of 4 and color it in black for his eye. And it looks like I have to skip 2 for the nose and go down a little bit. There we have his nose and his other eye. So it's pretty straightforward. You're just copying like you would a counted cross stitch and filling in the blocks as you go. All right, the next video, I'll show you how to create the questions and answers.